Oh, he uploaded. I love Caleb.
Bless you. Thank you.
Oh, you blessed? Yeah. Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you. But stop sneezing, my nigga. Like, damn, like, if they do like more than 3 times, if they sneeze like 3 times or more, I'm not saying bless you after the second time. I'm not saying bless you, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I might just say, if I don't like you, I'll just not say bless you at all. Simple. I'll get annoyed. Like, bitch, like, you want attention or something, bro?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey.
Whoa. What the fuck?
Just the rules, Henry.
Just the
You know
rules.
the rules, and so do I. Come on, man. Just give up on that already.
Give up?
Never gonna give it up.
What the fuck going on?
Just let the gun down. Never
the gun
gonna let
down,
it down. Let's just run along and forget this whole thing, huh? Never gonna run around or desert it. You're gonna make me cry, man. Never gonna make you cry. Enough! Why should I even let you live? Just think about it, man. We ain't even gotta do all this.
I'm saying, put the guns down. Bless you, man. Kill him. Damn.
Oh, this could have all been simple, Henry.
Yo. The fuck? Why you run like that? Over a sneeze is crazy.